oxide can support a healthy heart. So ito po ay didiscuss sa atin ng isa sa napakagaling na coach, Coach Alvin Velasco. Ayan. Go ahead, Coach Alvin.
Yeah, good morning everyone. Happy Wednesday to all, no? And welcome po sa ating session today sa ating Virtual Nutrition Club. And excited po ako sa ating topic today because this is one of the most important thing na lagi nating dapat pag-usapan, no? It's a heart health. We have to take care of our heart. So, okay ba yung slides ko?
Yes po, clear
Yes,
naman po.
please.
Okay, sige. So, marami kasi ngayon is looking for ways to maintain heart health, di ba? And of course, there are ways to support heart health through proper nutrition, regular exercise, and supplementation. Marami na tayo niyan. And we're going to talk about nitric oxide also, kung ano yung role ng nitric oxide para maging healthy yung heart natin. So, yung mga concern na sa mga nararanasan natin about heart, no, yung nakikita natin, nababalitaan natin. And this topic will really understand, we can understand how to go about the health of our heart. But before that, let me share also my result. So, I'm Alvin Velasco and ano na po ako ngayon, 56 years old, malapit na maging 57, no? This year. And as you can see, yung aking result dyan is weight loss. So during the first month, I've lost about 25 amazing pounds and 7 inches in my waistline. So not only that, kasi pag overweight ka, marami tayong discomfort. We have a lot of aches and pain, no? Yung my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head, lahat yan may mga pains yan eh. And so taking just replacing our breakfast every day, dalawa ng wife ko, and we managed to really get rid of those aches and pains. And syempre, pagka naranasan mo yan, we share also these things sa aming family, and all of us now are taking Herbalife products. So, syempre, when you have good results, meron ding potential na nakikita natin doing the business. So ang background ko po, I'm a salesman sa a Chinese-owned company sa Binondo, and when I saw the opportunity, kasi there are two things valuable, di ba? Yung time natin and money. So nakita ko sa company na to that both of these value can be enhanced, and definitely po maganda po ang nagiging result namin mag-asawa. So we do the business. Ang pinaka ginawa namin is target lang po, kung bago ka pa lang, gawin mong ang sarili mo maging supervisor kasi you will have the privilege to buy the product at 50%. Okay? And syempre from there, attend ka ng training, and true enough po, nakuha namin yung gusto namin position, and right now we're enjoying quality time with our families. And of course, wala na rin po akong ibang ginagawa kundi Herbalife. And we can also have travels. Yan ang mahalaga sa isang pamilya din. We can enjoy the time with our family. So, this coming May, meron tayong malaking event na magaganap sa Thailand. And I hope kayong lahat dyan will aim to be a supervisor para po mas maganda maka-attend kayo sa training na to. And it is a life-changing event. Ako, nabago ang buhay ko, and right now, we continue to share the result and continue to help people by coaching, no? So, ang topic natin is very special, no? What is nitric oxide? In common terms po, this is just a simple molecule, nitric oxide. Very important po. Biologically, para siyang regulator and therefore is fundamental po component in many fields sa physiology, sa medicine, at sa ating body, no? So nitric oxide is one of the molecule na talagang pinuproduce na ating katawan to really help those 50 trillions of cells, no? Imagine mo niyan, no? And this, paano sila nakakatulong? It helps communicate with each other by transmitting signals through the entire body. Ibig sabihin, pag mahina yung signal, mahina din yung body mo. Ganun po ka-importante ito. So, ang author nito is very special because he won a Nobel Prize winner when he discovered this molecule that gives a healthy heart, no? So, number one, protein. Kasi alam natin ang protein is a building blocks, okay? So when you digest protein daw, it gives you amino acids which is the building block of our body. Ang itong ating nitric oxide is one of those amino acids. And bago siya maging nitric oxide, if you intake the food, itong arginine na to, our arginine is absorbed into the vascular endothelial cells. Yung endothelial cells naman po, this is a particular layer ng cells doon sa ating ugat na doon po nagpo-produce ng nitric oxide. Doon lang po particular. Hindi po sa lahat ng body. So every single artery and veins in our body have an inner lining of endothelial cells, no? And therefore, it is essential to keep our endothelial happy or healthy. Okay? So, the nitric oxide produced by the endothelial po, yung cells na yon, layer sa ating katawan, nadidetermine po niya kung normal yung heart or not. Okay? So, ano pang nagagawa ng nitric oxide? It dilates po, no? Pinapabata niya po yung ating blood vessels so that pag nag-widen po itong wall na to, yung blood flow mo maganda. Di ba? So, these are one of the benefits ng ating ng nitric oxide. And mamaya po, I will introduce a product na talagang pinag-aralan ng mga scientists natin sa Herbalife. And one of these scientists is Louis Ignarro, who discovered this molecule, this amazing molecule that makes a nitric oxide production in our body. Okay? So next. So when we age, after a person reaches 30 years old, yung amount po ng nitric oxide sa body natin, unti-unti po yung nagdi-decrease. So therefore, kailangan po nating i-boost yung production ng nitric oxides. Maliban sa mga free radicals or yung mga unhealthy na kinakain, no? And surroundings natin, stress and everything, these are the factors that really affect yung production ng nitric oxide natin. So pagka medyo maedad na tayo, ano ba ang dapat nating gawin para ma-maintain natin yung nitric oxide sa katawan natin, ano? And because of this, it is necessary to create a lifestyle. Siyempre, hindi naman pwedeng take ng production ng take ng nitric oxide, but then yung lifestyle mo also damages yung nitric oxide sa katawan mo. Dapat it can go hand in hand with a healthy lifestyle. Okay? So how do you boost and sustain nitric oxide sa katawan natin? Okay. Ito. Yung mga pagkain po na we call it balanced meal, no? Kanina sinabi na natin yan. So, when we eat balanced meal, yung mga natitake po natin na protein, may mga components yan, especially yung arginine that makes up nitric oxide in our body. So, importante po yung mga vegetables na yan, mga fruits na yan. These are the foods that gives us production ng nitric oxide sa body natin. And it has to be balanced. Okay? So kanina pinaliwanag ni Mother Arlene yung kahalagahan po ng nutrition and all these yung ating mga exercise and everything, yung 7 pillars natin. So kailangan natin po yan to help po yung ating production ng nitric oxide. Number 2, so engage po sa exercise. Teka lang, natanggal yung camera ko. So importante din po yung ating physical activity on a regular basis. Kasi this is one also na study ngayon. When you move, it produces also a lot of nitric oxide. So yung mga hindi pa nag-exercise dyan, kailangan po nating gawin yan so that maging healthy po yung heart natin. No matter anong exercise ang gawin mo, walking, running, cycling, swimming, or just climbing stair. So doing appropriate exercise not only increase po the amount of nitric oxide sa body natin, diba? Not only that, it produce po na kailangan din po natin na yung syempre yung calorie intake natin, we have to manage. And this is very good kasi meron po tayong mga coaches that would help us do this one. So keep tuning po dito sa ating BNC para po makita niyo yung mga development, makita niyo yung mga tips and how to go about the healthy living and exercises. Meron nga tayong mga twice a week na exercise dito, no? Okay. So ano pa? So I'm sure na naiisip niyo na kung gaano ka-importante and gaano ka-vital itong essential molecule na to. And we cannot get this by just sa intake ng food lang. So we need supplement for this one, no? So next, so ito yung author ng ating ngayon, no, sa topic ngayon. This is Louis Ignarro and he won a Nobel Prize winner. A Nobel Prize winner siya 1998 I mean, because of the discovery of this molecule. Now marami po ang lumapit sa kanya na mga multinational na kinukuha siya to develop a product that would really boost nitric oxide in our body. And alam niyo po, after an ample of consideration po kung sino po yung company na to, at napili po niya po yung Herbalife Nutrition. So we are very proud na meron tayong Nobel Prize winner in our midst, which help us, educate us, train us sa mga ganitong bagay. And yan po, no? And hindi nyo pa nasusubukan ang nitric oxide, itong Niteworks natin, tanungin nyo po yung coach natin dyan, paano ba tayo bibili? And so from the man himself, let us watch this video.
Hi, I'm Dr. Lou Ignarro, member of the Herbalife Nutrition Advisory Board. As many of you know, I was awarded the Nobel Prize in Medicine. I'm sure all of us want a healthy heart, but our busy and fast-paced lifestyles may make it difficult for some of us to have a heart-healthy diet and exercise regularly. Our blood vessels may also become less flexible and harden with age, which can affect our cardiovascular health in a negative way. Did you know that nitric oxide can support a healthier cardiovascular system? Nitric oxide levels in your body are crucial in maintaining a healthy heart. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels and maintains a healthy blood flow in your body. When the nitric oxide levels in your bodies are low, this may lead to tissue damage. Together with Herbalife Nutrition, I've developed Niteworks. Niteworks can be taken every day to improve our cardiovascular wellness. Niteworks contains L-arginine and L-citrulline that contribute to nitric oxide production to help keep blood vessels toned and flexible for healthy vascular function. And so, Start protecting your heart and take Nightworks every day to keep your heart in shape.
So, amazing, no, yung ating product. So, wag na po kayong mag-alala guys kasi this has been approved in 96 countries. Huwag nyo nang tanungin kung this products really works, no? And dagdag ko lang, sabi ni Louie Ignaro, when it comes to nutrition, focus on calorie-restricted diet that features high-quality protein. So, eto, alam na natin na number 1 yung ating shake, di ba? Yung shake natin because it has isolated protein. And bakit soy protein? Because number 1 din po tayo yung in terms of digestibility niya, mabilis pong ma-absorb sa katawan natin. And it has a lot of vitamins, 24 vitamins and minerals. So when you take this protein shake, yung ating F1, kuha nyo na agad yung sinasabi niyang quality protein na yan. Take it twice, no? Double the dose or even more. And then itong omega-3 fatty acids and other nutrients that promotes creation and heart-healthy nitric oxides. All of our product po supports health, heart health. Lahat yan, pero particularly itong ating mga blue label na to na we have this Nightworks, Herbalife line, and the other one, Mega Garlic. This product talagang heart health lines natin, no? And ma-share ko lang itong omega-3. I take this one every day. So minsan dino-double dose natin and minsan yung iba talagang marami silang tinitake nito, no? Aside from protecting our heart and brain, ang particular nitong Herbalife line po is protecting yung ating cell membrane, no? So if all the trillions of cells are being protected, no? Hindi siya nada-damage because okay yung intake mo ng omega-3, then your body will be healthy. So it makes sense, no? So ask your coaches kung hindi nyo pa nakukuha yan, no? And don't forget po the extravaganza this May. See you in Thailand. Have a nice day. Thank you po.
Ayan.
So, naman yung luggage na yan.
Yes, para nakaka-excite pumunta sa extravaganza with that luggage.
Ang
Ayan,
ganda.
sobrang
Color
gold.
yellow, di ba?
Ayan. So, ang ganda-ganda ng topic ni Coach Alvin, no? Yung Nightworks talaga, yung napakagandang experience ko dyan, mas magandang tulog, mas maayos yung blood flow kasi, di po ba? Tapos meron din akong experience dyan, hinalo yung shake, yung F1 shake natin na vanilla at saka Nightworks, binilend. Nilagyan ng yogurt. Grabe, parang cream cheese. Oh, pwede. Ang sarap. So,
congratulations. Ganda mo ngayon, di ba?
Ha?
Congratulations. Thank you. And kay Tess, congratulations. And of course, kay Alvin. Ang ganda ng topic ni Alvin.
Yes. At pati video, penge.
Slides. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, guys, for joining. At sa mga first time, thank you po sa pag-join. See you again tomorrow. Hindi ko nabati yung mga first time. Ayan, sorry naman. Pero, opo.
Thank you, Olive. And thank you, Tess.
Are you ready to reach the sky, but you're having doubts? I'll help take that out. Do you want a brand new you? Then make your move, and don't you lose that groove. You'll never be alone. Together we are in this zone. Know that you're stronger. You stay happy. It can happen if you stay. Fear and worries will all fade if you say yeah.
Thank you po.
Join us now. Live your life, feel alive.
Good morning, Ate Shirley.
Good morning, Miss Lemna. Good morning sa lahat. Miss
Hi,
Jessie
Jess.
from Batangas.
Good morning, Jessie Jess. Hi, Bohol.
Good morning po.
Good morning, my Muslim sa Bohol.
What are you
Carmelita Odionga.
and make a difference in the world?
Carmelita Odiongan. Morning.
It's simple when you're having fun.
Thank you, BNC family.
Greatest magical ride, a better you will come alive. So know that you're stronger, choose to be happier. It can happen if you say.
Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao.
Coach Laurie, good morning.
To a better you, you can simply be the best.
Mama Ring, good morning.
Worries will all fade if you say yes. Say yes. Yes now. Your life feel alive. Yes. To a better you, you can simply be the best. Fear and worries will all fade if you say yes. Say yes. Yes now. Feel alive. Herbalife.
Ang ganda ng host natin, oh.
Thank you. Thank you, Herbalife.
Herbalife.
All right. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Thank you, Cecil. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, thank you, everyone.